Welcome to the Artemis generation. In this video, we take you inside NASA's wallet, the virtual astronaut lunar exploration and navigation trainer, a powerful tool preparing astronauts for humanity's return to the moon. Wallet is more than just a simulator. It's a cutting-edge virtual reality system designed to train Artemis crew members for lunar surface operations. By replicating the rugged terrain, low gravity, and lightning conditions of the moon, it gives astronauts an immersive experience before they ever leave Earth. Through Wallet, astronauts practice navigating lunar terrain, identifying landmarks, and rehearsing scientific exploration scenarios. These simulations help them refine decision making, develop muscle memory, and increase mission confidence, all critical when every second counts on the moon. Artemis II is NASA's first crewed mission to orbit the moon in over 50 years. It paves the way for Artemis III, where humans will once again walk on the lunar surface. While it ensures Artemis II crew can operate seamlessly in lunar-like environments, from terrain scanning to executing surface tasks. Developed by NASA's top scientists, engineers, and mission planners, Wallet integrates real-time data, topographical lunar maps, and advanced AI-assisted simulation. The system is regularly updated as more information is gathered from missions like Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Inside Wallet, astronauts can simulate tasks like collecting lunar samples, deploying instruments, and navigating long distance using a digital head-up display. Every detail from shadows at a lunar sunrise to surface dust behavior is modeled to match real lunar physics. Wallet also helps the ground teams test communication protocols, EVA timing, and operational safety. Not just training, it's a rehearsal. It's a step closer to safe and successful mission of Artemis astronauts. As the Artemis 2 crew prepares to journey around the moon aboard Orion, Wallet helps them envision what lies behind every crater, ridge, and possibility. It's where technology meets exploration and future history is being written. Stay tuned for more on Artemis lunar mission and next giant leap. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as we follow NASA's journey to the moon and beyond.